This is Edmundo Perez from 111, and my extra credit project is a pace calculator. A pace calculator requires inputs such as time, and time contains hours, minutes, and seconds. Second input, it requires miles. Once we got our inputs, we must do the calculation. For the calculation, we must get the hours and minutes to the lowest format, and that'll be into seconds. Second step, we add the hours, minutes, seconds, and divide it by the mileage to get the average, and we'll call this x. Then we divide x, or call the average, by 60 to get our minutes. Next, we'll go to our GUI. In our GUI, we contain one text box, three combo boxes, three buttons, and one label result. Then we'll go to our code. Once that we are in the code, in the public class, these inputs are global and they are set to be real numbers. Then we use a try block. And then we're going to start going to our function. In the function calculate pace, it will obtain the hours, minutes, seconds, and miles and put them into a double. After the function will run depending on what the user input. If user inputs hours, then the formula for hours will begin. Else, the minute formula will start. After that, we go to our function, get the minute. In this function, it extracts the whole number portion from the real number so that the whole number can be concatenated with the string minutes. Once we are done getting the minutes, we must go to our sub output. And this sub output, there were some logical problems when it came to the sub output by getting the time output and having to fix the seconds. For example, seconds can be greater than 59. Then in the sub, it executes to take care of the remaining seconds and inputs them to the right location. After it concatenates the minutes and seconds, it will become a minute per mile pace. And here is a glimpse of the code from the top. Next, we'll run the code now. So let's go run our code. It has a welcome box. Welcome to the pace calculator. Then we input our mileage. Then we input our hours, our minutes. You could pick any type of minutes. And then our seconds. And then we click paste. And our average will be 8 minutes and 36 seconds. And that is it. Now we exit.